Hi everyone, welcome to the data analytics blog. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to make use of Power BI in a simple way. If you are a beginner or a pro or an expert, I'm going to be explaining the 7 pillars that we need to understand to master Power BI. And these 7 pillars have helped me to be able to master Power BI tools. So now I'm going to explain the 7 pillar, and this video we are going to be making use of this video. I'm going to be dividing this video into 7 ways where I will be able to practicalize each of these pillar in Power BI desktop. So the first thing that we're going to explain is Power BI. What is Power BI? For those that are new to Power BI, Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization application that transforms information from many data sources into interactive dashboard and report. Yes, Power BI is an advanced version of analytics tools with large number of features to play with data. Yes, Power BI, the main goal of Power BI is to help and guide the end user to make informed business decision, to be able to give insight about their decision. So if you are an Excel user, you can also use Power BI. Power BI is a very powerful tool and very easy to use. So now the next thing is to move to the 7 pillars of Power BI. So if you want to become a Power BI expert, or you are already an expert, there are 7 pillars to learn when working on any Power BI related tasks. And these 7 pillars are very, very important. The important thing we must keep in mind while using Power BI are these 7 pillars. And these are the things that I always keep in mind while creating any dashboard or report in Power BI. The first Power BI, the first pillar in Power to master Power BI is data extraction. This is where we import our data. This is where we get our data from. We can get data from Excel, you can get data from CSV file or XML or databases or any other data source into Power BI. And the second one is transformation. This is where we clean our data, the way data is being treated, and this is done in Power Query Editor. And usually some data used to come in a messy format. So before we load the data into Power BI desktop, we need to clean the data and make sure that it is in a standard way for modeling and reporting. And this is done in Power BI desktop. And the third pillar is modeling. This is very, very important because this is where we create relationship between the table, where we enhance the data to get more accurate insight and analytics. And this is where we define that our table to be whether it's going to be a dimensional table, which is, or it's going to be a fact table. And the fourth one is calculation. This is where we create various measures for business metrics, on also measure to for our key indicator performance. And we create this measure using data analysis expression, which is called DAX. The fifth one is visualization, and this is where we create storytelling using various charts and various analytical visuals. This is where we present the our information and insight using charts. And the sixth one is the distribution, which is also known as publishing. This is where we share our report or the dashboard that we've created to end user through Power BI service. And the last one is automation, the 7th pillar, which is where we update the data set. And once you update the data set will the dashboard will automatically refresh and also updated. So the first 5 pillars are done in Power BI desktop, while the last 2 pillars are done in Power BI service, which is other Power BI platform. So these are all the Power BI, these are all the important steps that we need to put in mind while working on any Power BI related tasks. And I believe that these steps will help us to master Power BI.